Yesterday there was sun and there was rain. Beauty in the Monday.
Hello, welcome back to Life of My Wife, and we are baking with Cindy today. So before we started this video, we tried to make another recipe, and it's in the trash because it was really gross. Oh! Oh my gosh, we don't even want to show you. It's like we literally threw it in the trash.
It sounds delicious.
It didn't turn out.
Nope.
No. All right, so we are going to make keto lemon bars.
Okie doke.
All right.
And with that, you do your shortbread crust first.
Yeah.
2 cups almond flour.
You want to mix it in this bowl?
Sure.
I'll give it a cup.
No, this is your dry one.
Yeah.
2 cups almond flour, 3 tablespoons of allulose, and a large egg. And I got Keto.
Oh, and melted butter, isn't it? Oh, no, not
Nope.
for the crust. Okay. 2 cups. That's 1 cup.
Oh, I'm still thinking about the other recipe.
There we go. And we're going to use...
3 tablespoons.
Yeah, we're going to use monk fruit.
Yeah, I knew that.
Yeah.
I saw that.
Yeah. How much monk fruit?
3 tablespoons.
Okay. I'm gonna crack it onto the just so that. I'm just gonna do this so that.
Just because.
Well, I want to make sure there was no,
Thingies.
bleh.
Kelly, nothing could be like last time.
It was funny.
That did not taste funny.
No, it didn't. Oh my gosh. That was just, yeah.
Kevin needs to come home and do cooking with Kevin.
I don't think it would have worked even for him.
Kevin couldn't have done that. There's no way anybody could have done that.
Like, yeah.
I raised 3 kids, you raised several kids, and we've baked, and
Yeah.
there's no way that, like...
No. Yeah, no. There's some egg here on the side.
Well, you just keep that. That'll go with that chunky cottage cheese thing from the last time.
Oh, that was nasty. Oh.
You eat the cottage cheese.
No, thank you.
Apparently, you're supposed. My friend says blended. It tastes better.
Okay, well, we'll do that.
Well, it can't be worse than the chunks of the cottage cheese.
No.
And you know what? I know how to eat healthy. I used to teach martial arts. Like, I know how to eat healthy.
Yeah.
But that's...
Let us know in the comments down below. Do you like cottage cheese? How do you eat it? How do you, like, what do you add to it?
How do you not gag on the chunks? I don't gag on many things. I'm pretty easygoing when it comes to food, but how do you not gag on the chunks?
Oh my gosh.
I'm sorry, Kelly, but
It was funny.
Oh, it was something.
Oh, yeah, it was something all right. I wonder if we need to spray this.
Probably. Because then you're going to push this into the bottom, right?
Yeah, does it say to spray
No. Parchment paper.
Oh, well, we'll do parchment paper.
See, I told you it didn't say spray it.
Oh my gosh.
And that's so you can just lift it out.
Yeah, exactly.
As we regroup.
Oh my gosh.
Both of us all have nightmares on night.
Oh.
I swear, I hope nobody ever offers me cottage cheese in the next little while.
Well, we are going to be doing a second video.
I know.
And it does require cottage cheese, but we're going to blend it up this time.
We're going to try that.
Yeah. Dorothy made a mousse with cocoa and cottage cheese, and it was delicious.
Did she blend it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's why.
Okay, so.
Because it didn't have chunks. It looked like baby cubes.
Oh my gosh.
I guess baby cube's just too recent for me since I just had the second granddaughter.
Oh.
I don't know.
It's like when I was talking to Hannah and about me coming and stuff, and something we said something about diapers and stuff, and I said, yeah, well, I'm a grandma now. I'm not a mom for babies anymore, and I will do diapers if you're not home.
Yep, that's fair. Well, that was so funny because
Yeah, you're just gonna have to press it down.
Well, Andrew and them, when they had Tilly had lots of congestion, but I mean that runs in our family, right? And Tilly was breech for the longest time, and they just got her to move at the very end. So she was full of you name it.
Yep.
And Tilly, so they had this nasal sucker, and my son has a very weak stomach. and it's not like the nasal, you know those bulbet nasal aspirators they have? Well, it wasn't that.
No, it's a tube and you go.
Yeah, and you suck it.
It doesn't go in your mouth or anything.
Well, I tried to explain that to my son.
It's a long tube.
He's like, Mom, they told us to buy one. I said, well, which one of you is going to do it? Because you both have a weak stomach. And my hands are washed.
Oh my gosh.
It's so funny. He's like, Mom. I says, well, you live too far. I says, you live in past Portage. I says, what am I supposed to do? Drive there every day when she needs to be sucked out? He says, well, we took her over to, because Katrina's parents live in Portage. And he says, well, should we just, so she tried to get her mom to do it. That's what her mom said. She says, I'm a grandma now. She says, if I was babysitting her and I had to do it, I would do it.
Yep.
She says, I've already been there, done that.
Yep.
They're like, oh, man. So here's my son that does all these, like, he thinks manly things, you know. And he can't suck the snot out of his little baby girl. And this is second child, too. It's not even the first.
Oh, that's funny.
Oh, I was seriously,
Now you can.
I was laughing because I thought it was kind of funny personally. Okay, you want it any different than that, dear?
No, that's fine.
So.
And then how long does it go in for?
I'm sure he'll be happy to know that I was telling on him. Oh no, is this after? Should put question rather than worse. Okay, because that one's transferred next year. 15 minutes.
Okay.
Or until golden brown.
Okay.
Because the other one was for the other.
All right, we'll be back when it's the next step. The crust is out of the oven, slightly brown and hot. And now we need to
6 eggs.
6 eggs, and we need to beat 6 eggs. And it says to beat the 6 eggs until there's no white remaining. You can get your frustrations out beating the eggs. Oops. There we go. One more. Okay.
Take your frustration out.
Okay. I need 2/3 of lemon juice. And 2/3 mustard, or whatever whatever sugar substitute you want to use.
You want it more than this?
No, I think that looks good. There's your lemon juice, and 1/3, and 2/3. I suppose you could make some real whipped cream or whipped topping and put on top once it's done, or if you wanted to fancy it up. But that's gross.
Real whipped cream you'd want.
Blech.
If you wouldn't want the fake stuff.
I don't want any of it.
No, I know you don't.
Blech.
I like real whipped cream, but I don't like cool.
Yeah, all of it's gross.
Well, I'll eat real whipped cream if it's on certain things.
No thanks.
I've gotten away from eating anything sweet these days.
As long as it's, mixed well.
Feels like it is.
All right. Then you pour that
Pour it in.
onto the crust.
Okay.
And then it says to bake it for 20 to 22 minutes until the center is firm but still a little jiggly. So we'll see you back in a little while. Our lemon bars are out of the oven. They look delicious and they smell delicious.
They sure do.
We are going to let it completely cool off, and we will cut it up and let you have a look at what we think of it. We've got it onto a platter, and it's cooled enough that I think we can try it.
Okay.
All right, let's give it a try.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. That's good.
Yep. You know you have to take some of this home, right?
Okay.
Okay. Oh, I'll be right back. Those turned out delicious, didn't they?
They were very good.
Yes. So I've got a container with half of it in there for you.
Oh, okay.
And now we're going to try and do the cinnamon ones.
Okay.
And if they turn out, there's a container for you to take some of them.
Okie dokie then.
All right. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.
Yesterday